Oh, it's so tender. I love the spices. That needed barbecue, for sure. I even think the pork belly would be good with barbecue. Right there. Hey, good morning everyone. I hope you're all doing great. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in the beautiful Queen City, Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm excited because this morning I'm taking you to Zada Jane's Corner Cafe to have a delicious Southern soul food breakfast. I love Southern food and especially breakfast. And then after that we're going to the U.S. National Whitewater Center, a 400-acre recreational park in the middle of the woodlands. And there we can go ziplining, whitewater rafting, rock climbing. They have so many things to do. And if you guys didn't know, North Carolina is famous for their whitewater rafting, so we might just do that. Now let's have a Southern soul food breakfast. Follow me. So we arrived here at Zada Jane's. Zada Jane's.
Tell you the most popular.
Tell me the most popular.
The Bunny Rancheros is the #1 seller.
Which one is that? Bunny Rancheros?
Yep.
Okay.
Booker T's, big seller.
Okay.
French toast, pancakes, all the omelets. Just depends on what you like.
I love food, so.
Well, Bunny's the very most popular.
And Bunny's what does it have? I mean.
It comes just like that and you choose your meat.
So 2 eggs. With a chorizo, turkey sausage.
A regular sausage,
a regular
bacon,
sausage.
or country ham, whatever you want.
Alright, so we'll do that. However you think.
Okay. That way.
But I'll get biscuit on the side.
Sure.
Yeah. My appetizer. Mixed berry and apple butter. Here we have it. Biscuit. I just love biscuits. There's nothing like a biscuit. Southern breakfast, always. Let's see, I'm gonna put some of this berries. Oh. Mmm. Oh wow. So buttery, fluffy. Mmm. This berry jam is insane. This is the apple butter. Has like cinnamon. Feels like an apple pie. Mmm. Oh man, I eat this non-stop. I had to have that biscuit like an appetizer because I'm so hungry right now. I couldn't wait. Need some coffee to wake up. Mmm. Oh great. American coffee is strong. Look at this mug. This is ridiculous.
Yeah, it just makes you happy.
Thank you. This is like a bomb breakfast right here. So I didn't know that, but it also comes with beans, sour cream, guacamole, tortillas, Bunny Rancheros. Let's do this. Oh God, this food looks insane. How delicious this is. This is like, what is this? Mmm. It's like sausage mixed with beans. Oh, right there's a sausage. Oh, look at this sausage right here. Mmm. A little spicy. What she said to do is to grab this, right? So grab the tortilla, get some egg, get some beans, sausage, guac right there, some sour cream, load this thing up. Man, this is gonna be an amazing breakfast right here. So to roll it up, so it's like a big burrito. Mmm, cold, it's hot, the eggs, this mix is so yummy. Mmm.
How was everything?
Amazing.
Good.
Really good. Oh, I love the beans with the sausage. And the yolk running through the whole thing. Oh man. The cold sour cream with the hot sausages. And look at all these beans. I mean, so many frijoles or black beans. We're gonna throw the whole egg inside it. Right there, egg. So it's not just sausage here, it's also grounded beef within beans. So mix that in. Get this guacamole, sour cream in there. So I like this. I like that you just like turn it into this big burrito. You gotta be careful because it's super messy. Oh, bon appetit, guys. Delicious, the flavors. I'm in love with it. The best part of all this is the yolk running through the whole thing. Super delicious, very messy, definitely worth it. Yeah, for being Southern soul food, it's a little different, as you could tell. The Bunny Ranchero is the most popular item on the menu. So, this is just, I can't eat anymore. I stuffed myself. All right, let's go to the U.S. National Whitewater Center. Let's go. Yes, how you doing? Let's do it. U.S. National Whitewater Center. Oh, it's getting hotter. Huh? It was cold this morning. I put on a sweater and now it's like nice and warm. Here we are. The U.S. National Whitewater Center. 400-acre park. This place is huge. Wow, they have so many different activities. They have whitewater rafting, flat water, climbing, ziplining, ropes, jumps. I have no idea what we're gonna do. Let's go inside and find out.
Hi, I'm Lex Ballard. I'm a marketing associate here at the U.S. National Whitewater Center in Charlotte, North Carolina. We opened in 2006 and we have 1,300 acres in our facility. We started with about a little less than 300, so we've added a little bit more than 1,000 acres to our grounds in the past 12 years. Some of the activities that we offer are ropes and adventure courses with both high and low elements. We have one of the world's only deep water solo complexes where you can climb up to 45 feet in the air on a rock climbing pattern and then you fall into a 20-foot deep pool. We have one of the world's only man-made whitewater channels, and so we bring out rafting and kayakers. We have tons of events. We have motocross events. We have build your own boat competitions. At least you're kind of outside and enjoying, you know, the elements that we try and provide the community to, you know, get outside and just enjoy this active outdoor lifestyle.
So the activity I decided to do today is the zip lining. I've done it in a few different countries. I've done it in Central America and I've done it also in the Dominican Republic. But today what I'm gonna do is I'm here on Hawk Island. I'm gonna cross on the zip line, then I'm gonna do an obstacle course over there. Then I'm gonna come back, and when I get back, the fastest way down is the free fall for 50 feet. Free fall 50 feet, I've never done that. I'm actually a little nervous about that, but let's put on the zip lining gear and set up the GoPro.
And you can just step through this hole right here, and then you're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side.
On this one? Okay, perfect.
Yes, everything's right.
Please.
So you can go ahead and just pull it up, and you wanna make sure it's sitting up and on top of your waist. One arm through here, and the other arm through here, and I'm gonna raise this knot up to the top of your neck. I'm just going to snap it in here. Make sure it's forward facing. I'm gonna come around to the back, and I'm gonna pull in these.
2 fingers, perfect. And that's it?
Sweet, that's it.
All right, let's do this.
You got attached to your belay loop right here. You get a girth hitch. Have you done a ropes course before?
Yes.
Oh, cool. Power, remember we don't allow any loose items. Just wait at the stop sign until you get called over for the figure 8.
Perfect.
Any questions?
That's it. Wow, the zip lining was actually really amazing. Right when you get to the top of the tower, it's like you see over everything, 100 feet above everything. Looks very scary, but then, you know, once you get on the zip line, you're perfect. I mean, it's not as nerve-wracking as bungee jumping or skydiving, but it definitely, you know, it takes you a second just to like understand that this is, you know, you're super safe with a zip line because they double check, triple check, quadruple check, everything is perfect. And then yeah, so you do that. The obstacle course is really fun, a little hard, I won't lie. Like, I'm still out of breath. You do the obstacle course, it's like 10 different bridges, and from there you take a zip line all the way back to this island, and then you could do the 100-foot drop. It's really like a free fall. You just step out, you know, you walk over to the little red arrow, she counts to 3, 1, 2, 3, and it takes like literally 1 second. I mean, it's really scary. I got super nervous like doing it. I got super nervous leading up to it, but once I did it, I mean, I can do it again. The only thing is, going up to the top of the tower, it takes a lot out of you. So, I mean, if you want to do it again, you can definitely do it, but remember, it's a lot of steps to the top. Ooh, I'm building up an appetite here. And look, they filled up the pools. The water is moving, amazing. Okay, so the next thing we're doing here is we're going whitewater rafting down the Wilderness Channel, a 2,000-foot channel that has levels 2 and 3 of whitewater rafting. So the way that works is they have from 1 to 6. 6 is unnavigable, so you cannot go in that water. Level 6. Level 1 is like super straight with ripples, so that's like the most beginner whitewater rafting. And here, that's basically like intermediate. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull out the raft right now, put it out here, get in the water. I'm gonna go with the GoPro because I don't want to get too wet. I'm gonna get soaked, but I don't want my camera to get soaked. Are you guys ready? I've never done this before. I'm excited. Let's do it.
No. It's all about the setup. So let's go forward 1. Yep. Forward 1.
Okay, so that was fun. Got a little wet, but I'm good. And so for lunch, I came here to River's Edge. This is the restaurant on the property that they serve like southern food, and they also have a huge list of beers. Oh my God, what do we have here? So many beers to choose from. And then they have 12 ounces, 16 ounces, 24 ounce beers. So they have them light and refreshing, easy ales, big, bold, and hoppy, and dark and smooth. The Cavendish Avenue Maria. Nice and strong IPA, 7%. Ooh, it's really good. Not too hoppy. And what I ordered was a Smokehouse Plate, smoked brisket, smoked sausage, pork belly, and sweet potato fries. Oh, I can't wait. This plate looks incredible. Here we go. What do I start with? Right here, pork belly. This pork belly is so fire. It's like super juicy. I have to add some barbecue sauce. You can't have fries without barbecue sauce. It just makes it way better. It makes it just, I love the flavors of barbecue. What I always do is I always grab a lot of fries. The fries are so crispy. I prefer sweet potato fries over regular fries now. I have it like every day at this. Right here we have smoked sausage. Oh my God. It's, you know, it's crazy because, well, that's a Ziplining right there. But it's crazy because this is how it is in the South. Like, you go to different states in the South, and they all have barbecue, but they're always a little different. And right here we have brisket. This is my favorite thing about barbecue, brisket. Oh, it's so tender. I love the spices. That needed barbecue, for sure. I even think the pork belly would be good with barbecue. Right there. This food is crazy good. Brisket all day. Oh my God, I'm in love. And here we also have honey mustard. Top 2 sauces ever are honey mustard and barbecue. I always go for those two. This is something amazing about barbecue. I've really become like a barbecue fiend lately. Oh, I just love it. Sausage.
How was everything, boss man? Can I get you anything?
No, I'm perfect. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Okay, so we've had an amazing day. We started it at Zada Jane's Corner Cafe with some delicious Southern soul food breakfast. Then we came out here to the US National Whitewater Center. I went ziplining, I did a few obstacle courses, I did a 100-foot free fall, which was scary as hell. And then from there we did whitewater rafting. The first time I ever did whitewater rafting, and I really enjoyed it. I wish it was a longer stretch, but it's really nice. And yeah, the food here, the barbecue and beer, I mean, you gotta do that when you're in North Carolina. You have to eat barbecue and drink some beer. They have some of the best beer in the country right here. If you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next travel adventure in Charlotte. Love IPAs.